daming ganap. So right now, we are just walking around General Luna. Gusto namin kumain sa kanin baboy. It's 9:30 a.m. pero magbubukas siya ng 11 a.m. Gutom na kami and we've been waiting. Pero wala, ikot-ikot muna and get to know the city. Ay, dear, kailangan mo ata. Nabakat na eh.
Bastos ka.
Thank you. Pa-sunset pa naman yun. So, kayang balat una. And then, parang may green chili pa. First, na balat. Nangangagalin ako. Parang gulay na may ginataan na string bean.
Gising-gising, parang gising-gising.
Malambot yung barbecue. Tapos makaramel. Matamis siya. And then ceviche.
Lagyan ka.
Okay, we're gonna eat. Go. Hi guys! Time check is 2:36 p.m. Sobrang init and we are here at Trogon's Perch. Grabe, I think it was 1.5 hours from General Luna, which is the usual tourist site here sa Siargao. Worth it naman kasi ang ganda ng view and I'm so excited na mag-swimming kami dito sa pool na ito. I'm excited to go to that beach.
Ganda.
Nakakatawa kasi doon sa tricycle na sinakyan namin, malubak yung way, pero sa sobrang antok nakatulog ako. Nakabawi rin ako ng tulog, thankfully. And yeah, the day is so long. My suggestion talaga is punta kayo dito ng mas maaga para marami kayong mapuntahan, marami kayong makainan, and para mas mahaba yung araw. So we're just gonna enjoy here. See ya.
Yan. Tingin dito. Pag ano.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Sige, sa salamin naman. Para may iba yun.
Hi guys! Good morning. It is day 2 here at Siargao. And I'm gonna give you a quick tour sa aming accommodation here at Malabaya, Siargao. Ang ganda ng pool and this is our villa. As you can see. Ang ganda. It's glamping actually. And then, here inside, sorry magulo, are my friends.
Annyeong!
Annyeong!
Annyeonghaseyo!
Hello! And this aesthetic, it's giving. Parang ang nasa safari watch. Ayan, we have 2 beds and parang may mini walk-in closet here. Diyos ko, ang daming gamit ni Oliver at may parang mini pantry. Super sulit. It's around...
Sorry.
This is around General Luna. Tapos, grabe din, ang ganda ng CR. Here is the bathroom. It's so spacious af. Spacious af, ano do? And here is the sink. Hi guys, and the mirror. Tapos meron pang area here outside. I think it's like a foyer or parang picnic area. And merong cat. So cute. Dali ko na rin kayo sa may pool area. Sobrang solid ng pool nila. It's warm and very nature vibes. Ay, ang cute! Look at the dog! Island dogs! Island dogs! Today is day 2 and it's August 6 around 7 o'clock a.m. Mag-island hopping kami today sa mga famous na islands na dinadalaw dito sa Siargao, like Daku Island, Naked Island. So, I'm very excited kasi kasama pa yung boodle fight na lagi natin nakikita online. Na ang ganda-ganda ng paghahanda nila. So, in case you're wondering, my friend Oliver booked the tour via calls. So, just check nyo na lang kung ano yung mga tours and packages nila. And I like their service as well. Yun na talagang ginagamit namin pag magtutour. Atay lang namin yung sundo namin. And then, I'm gonna show you guys around.
Monitor sa kabila. Opo, yung ibang island. Ay,
kasi marami po silang touch kung kailangan, downhill lang po tayo. That is the horse yung horsel because
Hello and good afternoon. I'm back from our Sohoton tour. It was so fun. First time ko makahawak ng jellyfish. Ang ganda ng island hopping namin. Tapos, nakapag-cliff diving pa ako twice. Nakakakaba siya at first. Actually, mas nakakatakot yung feeling na nasa taas ka pa and waiting to jump rather than sa part na tumalon ka talaga. I hope I am making sense. And now, I'm just walking around General Luna. Ang chill dito. Wow. Okay.
I mean, pwede na kayo mag-break.
5 a.m.
Lalo yung may edge mo sa...
Ah, thanks.
Ikaw mas sasaya. Something...
Hindi nga dapat every year, dapat lagi.
Baka mapakon ko yun. Wala ka dapat kasi. Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna do intro class today for free diving. Yeah.
Here comes the sun, Imnida. Hi guys! So I am getting ready sa dinner namin at Sev. We're gonna have dinner sa mga naging friends namin in our tour. It's so nice. May GC na nga kami. May mga solo travelers kaming kasama and it's so nice to meet them. Same vibe, same energy. Tapos yun, nagkayayaan sa iba't ibang mga activities and tours ulit and now we're having dinner. Then after dinner, we're gonna party sa foam party at Siargao nightclub something. So it's gonna be a fun night. Yeah.
Ano si ano? Carney Baboy. Carney
Ah, lagpas na. Hi guys! Hello!